Welcome to SIT Virtual Open House. I'm Dr. So, one of the faculty in the Sustainable Built Environment. I would like to use this platform to share with you the rationale to consider joining us in the courses for our program with our 8 selling points. The 8 top selling points of our program are: the program is fully accredited for a 5-year period for graduating class of AY21 to AY25. Our program educational objective, which targets competencies, skill sets of transforming built environment, and this is in line with BCA Directive for Built Environment. Aligned with BCA on Manpower Development in Mechanical Engineering for Built Environment. Sectors with specialization electives in Integrated Facility Management and Green Building Design. Students have the skill framework, core tasks and competency picked up in the curriculum to work in the built environment sector through scaffold of related modules. We have good IWSP attachment opportunities with companies in consultancy, facility operation and maintenance, data centers, healthcare sectors, and agencies. Our Industrial Advisory Committee comprises of management from companies, agencies in built environment. Students are supported by faculty members, supervisors for external competition. Future students will also get to work in the living labs for new Punggol campus with industrial partners, researchers, and faculties. The program has received its full accreditation by EAB based on Washington Accord for graduating class in the academic year of AY21 to AY25. This means that they are recognized as mechanical engineers overseas and can apply for chartered engineership. More importantly, in Singapore, they are considered to be eligible to sit for the Fundamentals of Engineering examinations. After completing the course and working several years on projects, they can apply to be a professional engineers in mechanical engineering in Singapore. This is needed by engineers who work in consultancy firms, as employers need them to be able to endorse mechanical work on site. The program educational objectives focus on training our students to be mechanical engineers for built environment sector. Program's primary discipline is to produce mechanical engineers in built environment to support the sustainability, digitalization, and productivity initiative. Graduates will be responsible for overseeing the design, operation, and maintenance of mechanical systems within buildings, and this includes ventilation, air conditioning, and fire protections. The program also prepares our students to be nimble and to adapt to the industrial transformation of the built environment. With strong grounding at work process and systems, our graduate can lead and nurture teams, contributing to the productivity and environmental well-being of the built environment. Our new curriculum structures in specialization elective is well aligned with BCA initiative in developing a sustainable urban system for urban cities through decarbonization of built environment, integrated Aggregated FM through streamline operations. Our courses will introduce 2 specialization electives in green building design and integrated facility management to meet the need. This will enable potential students like yourself to be able to see a greater relevance of our program to your polytechnic diploma courses. The faculty team has ensured that students get good foundation in mechanical and modeling skill set training. For instance, before they can work on the mechanical, electrical and plumbing studio work, they have undertaken fundamental modules in mechanical engineering such as fluid dynamics, as well as building physics. This allowed them to carry out facility asset MEP design, manage and operate facility asset, which they will learn under integrated facility management. We have received a well-balanced group of companies who are keen to take in our students due to the skill set which they have picked up through the course. Overall, we can see the involvement in companies in building and system design, such as BCA, IWSP, and Surbana Jurong, which require our students' skill sets in BIM design. Cooperation with assets in Singapore and overseas, such as JTC, CapitaLand. We have received a well-balanced group of companies who are keen to take in our students due to the skill set which they have picked up through the course. Overall, we can see the involvement of companies in building and system design, such as BCA, WSP, and Surbana Jurong, which require our students' skill sets in BIM design. Cooperation with assets in Singapore and overseas, such as JTC and CapitaLand. Consultancy firms such as AlphaTech, BSD, Aricon needs our students to support in the aspect of sustainable engineering solution. Daikin, NG, and SP are related to the air ventilation and energy support in building, while ST Telemedia is in the area of data center business. Overall, we have a total of 51 companies participating last year, with more than 120 openings for our student number of 63. Our industrial committee members comprises of the management team from the building, design, consultancy firm, as well as agency. The IAC members provide advice to the program lead and the faculty on the matter such as industrial trend, link up for IWSP, and suggestion on improving the running of the degree program. Our students also participate actively in competition. For instance, in BCA Big Club Green Mark Challenge 2019, World Workplace Asia 2019, and Maple Tree Challenge. Often, faculty mentors are involved in leading and guiding the team in preparation for the competitions. Our students also involved in multiple disciplinary competition. For instance, a team of our students and CVE students participate in the Built Environment Case competition, and the team has proposed an adjustable mooring system with BIM Revit design, designed for manufacturing and assembly using platform engineering. Such experience is valuable for our students and promote building rapport with other students in other degree programs. SIT Punggol campus aims to be a smart and connected campus, complementing the national vision of a smart nation. SIT Punggol campus will serve as a living lab for testing out of integrated FM, smart control, cooling system, and the use of renewables. All SIT buildings will be wired with a campus-wide smart sensor network. By connecting systems seamlessly through the Internet of Things, data analytics of the collective pool of data will enable implementation of passive and active technology to optimize the physical environment for human, visual, thermal, and mental comfort. Students will get to test out their innovative ideas and be involved in applied research projects in those labs. We look forward to you joining us in our degree program and see you in SIT campus. Thank you.